Today we'll be making traditional Bengali recipe which is loti with poppy seed and mustard. This is very authentic food with full of flavors. So I have cleaned the loti which is a tuber stem, and I'm taking mustard one spoon and 3 spoon of poppy seed, and we'll be making the paste of ginger and green chili in a stone silbatta. It's done, and now we'll be grinding the poppy seed, which is 1 teaspoon, and half 1/3 teaspoon of red mustard and white mustard. Make it a fine paste. Once done, we'll put loti for boiling, which is very soft stem. It will be boiled, not boiled, you can say it should be blanched for a single boil so that it doesn't mash up. It has to taken really care with so that it doesn't mess up. Now you have to immediately take it and drain it, should not overboil, so just blanch. Once done, you have to take in a container and put all the paste what you have put and little of salt along with it. Now we will put tempering in a fry pan. I have taken a non-stick fry pan, put little mustard oil and put kalonji. While crackling, we'll put all this mixture and cook it for 5 minutes till little tender, not completely mashed up. So it should remain whole as it is and should impart all the beautiful flavor of mustard and wonderful flavor of the poppy seed in the dish. And this is very authentic recipe of a Bengali cuisine. And we have another recipe or one more channel which is called Jayasri Kadai Katha Bengali. There the voiceover is in Bengal, and here it is all English. So I have put the dish in a serving platter. We'll be eating with along with so many items. Please like, share, subscribe with your friends and family. Bye bye for now. See you with new more recipes.